Now, Shade, you get up and say, Orúkọ mi ni Shade. You say that loud and clear.
I'm not an auditory learner. Can you repeat that?
Orúkọ mi ni, no accent. Shade. Shade. Orúkọ mi ni Shade. All right? Say it now.
Orúkọ mi ni Shade Abiodun.
Fantastic. Okay, let's clap for her. Welcome. You are now in the Yoruba class. Very good. This is fantastic. I'm enjoying this. So we move on, and we always go back and check things out as we go. So don't think you're going to miss anything. You will not. You always, and then also ask questions if you don't understand something. The accent is clear. Do, mi, so. Do, mi, so. This one is key to everything that we're doing here. This do goes down, mi, neutral, so goes up. And sounds like a conga drum, tritone conga drum. You know Akuba drum? Fela uses Akuba drum. Akuba drum is 3 drums, locally made, and it gives 3 tones, right? Onugbalaja, onule ifa ire. Onugbalaja, onure di ọpẹ mi titi mo ṣe bójú òwúrọ̀ ní òjò pa mi lọ́kọ̀. Òjò pa mi lápá kan, dápá kan sí òjò pa mi o má ṣe pọ̀ rẹ́ ní ire. Right? 3 tones. All what I'm saying inside 3 tones. All right. Orúkọ mi ni Shade. Very good. Welcome, Shade. Káàbọ̀. And I'm supposed to be talking in Yoruba, but it's going to be difficult to just talk in Yoruba. You know, because I have to talk in English, right? All right. So, ẹ kú àárọ̀. Greetings in Yoruba. Ẹ kú àárọ̀. That's good morning. Do you see that page? After the conversation. Ẹ kú àárọ̀. Ẹ kú àsán. All these are very easy. Ẹ kú àárọ̀, morning. Good morning. Ẹ kú àsán, good afternoon. Ẹ kú ìrọ̀lẹ́, good early evening. Right? In the English, in the Western world, they don't say that. They don't say good early evening, but we say it in Yoruba, but I have to translate it for you. Because when you get there, they say, Ẹ kú ìrọ̀lẹ́. I don't hear that all the time. I don't hear Ẹ kú ìrọ̀lẹ́. I don't hear that. All I hear is Ẹ káalẹ́, Karo, and Ẹ káàsán. That's all I hear. No, they say it too. Ẹ kú ìrọ̀lẹ́, because it's getting to like 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Right. Ẹ kú alẹ́, good evening. When it's alẹ́, that means it's dark enough, like 8 o'clock. Sometimes 8 o'clock is still daylight, right? But this is how Yoruba describe it. Ẹ kú alẹ́. When they say Oru Oganjo, you know what that means, right? Everything is so dark. Nobody is outside, right? You relate that to nature as well. You hear crickets in the night. But in the afternoon, hustle and bustle, you see people riding cars, bicycles, motorcycles, all over the place. I want to go, I want to make some money. Horn blasting and everything. And by Oru Ogojo, everybody. Nothing. What do you hear? Sound of crickets. Right? Ó di àárọ̀. See you in the morning. See you in the morning. Ó di àárọ̀. Ẹ kú ìjókòó. Ẹ kú ìjókòó. I greet you sitting down. I greet you, those who are sitting down. Right? Those of you who are sitting down. Right? A question?
So why is it necessary to greet somebody sitting down and I'm standing up?
Remember when I said eku and kun? Remember? Eku. That explains it. Because you are greeting them because they are filled with that comfortability of sitting down. So to explain that in Yoruba is even harder because you say, why do I need to greet you because you are sitting down? Well, you don't just come in and say hello. It won't sound Yoruba. You don't say hi. Or will you say hi, those of you sitting down, hi to you? You won't say that unless it's deliberate, like, I know you're not going to answer me, but I'm greeting you anyway. I say hi. That's when you start to understand the variation of seriousness of this. Eku ijoko, because you are sitting down. Eku idide o, I greet you for visiting me. Not for standing upright. Idide means stand up, right? But because you got up from your house, you walked or you took your vehicle and came to my place to console me or to greet me, I'll say Eku idide o. Right? And I told you we always add O after each one for emphasis. Eku idide, I greet you for coming here, right? Because if they are not here, you will not see them. Eku idide, you appear in my presence. That's why I'm saying I can say for one person, and I can say for many people. So very important in Yoruba language construction. Right? Could mean mass. One big person or many masses. Right? If there are a cluster of people standing there, if it's only one person, that is if the person is a junior. If the person is a senior, is you still respect that person, calling that person mass instead of masses. Is that clear? Let me know if it's confusing. Let me know. This big man represents this cluster of people as well, because you don't want to disrespect because of the age, title, or whatever. You use instead of O. The O should be heavy in the mouth of a junior, a little child, adolescent, or a teenager should be heavy if that's a Yoruba person. But if you're in the United States, it's different. You can just say, oh. It's quick to say, oh, right? A Yoruba child, we don't say, oh. We say, We even kneel down if it's a girl. And prostrate if it's a boy. Traditionally, prostrate. Lie down